Yeah, well, Ollie, back in the side tonight. Was that the dream scenario to get the winning goal?
Yeah, definitely. I envisioned it all today. I was itching to get on the pitch tonight, so yeah, I'm delighted I got my goal and it helped the team to win.
How's it been for you, having been in the England squad previously, had the break and come back? Does the mindset change as you come back into the squad?
Yeah, I think my mindset's changed since the boss has come in, Unai Emery at Villa.
Watkins, the striker of the Aston Villa Football Club and the England national team, speaks here after scoring the winning goal on the side of the England national team in the friendly match against Australia. And of course, here Watkins speaks so many things and so much more. He is just trying to speak about the way he thinks when he will be given more chances to play in the national team, and he hopes to help the team in one way or another. And in fact, he has also spoken something which is so impressive, and he has been speaking about the way he will become the good option for Harry Kane. And of course, he admires, he understands, and he knows all the quality of Harry Kane, and he believes that one day he will be one among the dangerous, one among the important player as Harry Kane is now. And of course, Watkins also says he also thanks Aston Villa Football Club for the incredible support, and of course he believes that